Welcome back to Chef Super Sweets. Today we're gonna have something special, a real treat for you guys, literally. We're gonna start making pastries, candies, things like that, brownies, you name it. The holidays are coming. October, Halloween, November.
Christmas.
Yeah, Christmas, Thanksgiving. So we're gonna have a lot of things in store for you guys. What are we making today?
Today we got the Cheeto specialty. We got Cheeto Cherry Cheesecake Muffins.
Yep, so watch and learn and wait your turn. Now, we're gonna add 16 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese and 1 cup of white sugar. Now, time to beat it with our mixer. After about a minute or so, or until all the sugar is gone, we are gonna add 1/3 of a cup of sour cream. We're gonna mix all that in there, and then now we're gonna add 2 eggs. And do the same thing, mix all of it in there until all the yolk disappears. Now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Now that we got this pretty much done, let's make our crumble. We're gonna put 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/3 of a cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and we're gonna start mixing these ingredients all together. Now we're gonna add 1/4 cup of melted butter. Mix that all around, and that's how we're gonna get our crumble. Just mix it, see how it's crumbling up? That's what we want. And after this, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream and do the same thing. Just keep mixing it all around and just let it crumble. Now for our crust. We're gonna get a bunch of graham crackers to make it into crumbs and use 1.5 cups. And 1/2 cup of salted butter, melted. We're gonna mix all that around there. Very, very good. Now for each cupcake, we're gonna put a tablespoon of graham crackers and we're gonna push it down very finely, just like this. And for our cheesecake mix, we're gonna put down 2 tablespoons of mix per cupcake. And for our filling, we use original country cherry pie filling and topping, 21 ounces. And for each cupcake, we're gonna use 1 tablespoon. Now we're gonna get our crumble and fill each cupcake and just, get it all over the place, don't matter. And since we're almost done, our oven should be preheated at 350 and we're gonna let it cook for 25 minutes. And voila, there you go. Enjoy. And we're back. Here are our muffins. We made a lot of them, but these are the ones we decided to take out. So we'll grab one.
It's what's left over after everything I ate. Oh man, these are gorgeous. How'd they come out?
Hell yeah.
Ooh.
Look at this. Look at that.
Oh wow. I'm taking these. These are mine now.
So, we're gonna have a lot of this coming for you guys, man. Wow. Again, follow, subscribe, like, tell your friends, leave a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want us to make, but we're definitely gonna be making more treats. So, watch and learn, and don't get burned.